Hey guys, it's me, SPC, Franklin County 373 here. Whoa, you are not having a good time.
Into 24, the barometric pressure was 29.77 inches and rising.
Alright. Continuing. Hey guys, it's me, SPC, Franklin County 373 here. And I am home from school today. And so, being home from school on a Wednesday is again another benefit. And everybody knows what that means. It's RWT time. So, our setup is kind of the same as it was. You can see. Alright, but this is gonna be obvious again. Let's just go through every single radio on every station it is. Catch 86, catch 86, catch 86. Catch 86, catch 86, catch 86. Catch 86, catch 86, catch 86. Catch 86, catch 86. Catch 86, 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 catch 86. KJY 68, WWG 57. KIG 86. Thank you. Alright. So it is 10:58 and it's almost time for the RWT. So I will be back once this RWT comes and then everything goes off and then it's all chaos and I'm probably gonna fall down and die. Alright guys, bye. 11 a.m. Island, tone out, now, on the spot. Alright. Let's see what we can do, Island. Show me them teeth. Thank you, Island. I appreciate it. Yeah! What the f? What the f? Okay, no, never mind.
The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station GIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio.
Public warning system. Shut up.
Weather situations. Specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receivers performed can only be conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and Tuesday, partly cloudy. If there is severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the translated will vary any given location. This variability normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for
Hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskego, Perry, Pickaway, and Union.
This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station GIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio.
Alright.
Now here is the official National Weather Service.
Now don't pull triple headers with this one.
Rest of today, cloudy. A slight chance of showers this morning. And a chance of showers this afternoon. Unseasonably cold with lower temperatures. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Tonight, partly cloudy.
Oh no.
A chance of showers in the evening. Lows in the upper 30s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday, partly cloudy.
I'm still going this. Alright,
Thursday night, mostly clear. Clouds in the lower 40s.
Alright, oh, it's that one. Oh, no, it's this one. Okay, stop.
Friday, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 60s. Southeast winds around 5 miles an hour.
Oh, look at that. Oh, no. What the hell does it sound like that?
This is the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KJY, 68 Chula Coffee, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone,
will vary at any given location. This durability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter,
can occur even
where you're using a good quality receiver in good working order.
The warning
Alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, oh nope, not Champaign,
Jackson, Chipaway,
Pike, and Ross, and Scioto. Oh, I was gonna say Scioto.
the weekly test of weather
It's
radio
Vincent.
station CJY.
68 Chillicothe, Ohio.
Now here.
Alright, thanks. Now look. Okay. Okay. That's okay, so that's good. What the hell? That's what was playing. I thought I was hearing music for a second. Alright, and this can go back to... God, you suck at getting reception. Oh, I almost broke the antenna. It bent for a second.
Rain and fog and 40.
Okay, now it takes, I think it's about, no, not 6. It's, about like 14 minutes now until CLE tests. CLE usually tests at 11:20, so we're gonna wait until then. Alright guys, bye. Well, looky here, you did it early today.
This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for WWG57 for the Central Highlands of Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. The current time is 11.
Well, guys, would you look at that? CLE actually tested early. Usually they test around 11:20.
Weather can...
Alright. Well, that concludes it. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching this required weekly test video. And, yeah. Summer break is coming soon, guys. So, actually, I have it right here. Reminders, as you can see. Thursday, June 1st, last day of school, Friday, field day. Alright, so yeah. And here, school, damn it. Last day of school, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Oh, it's the Queen's birthday. Sunday. Yeah, so June 7th is going to be my first RWT on summer break. That's going to be a special one. Watch, I'm gonna try to go DXing during that time. July looks pretty normal. Before we end this, summer break announcements. Trips. Yes, I will be going on a few trips. Probably 2. One to Chicago, another one to New Jersey. Annual yearly New Jersey trip. That'll take a week. This time instead of August, it's going to be in July. And yeah, not flying, driving. Yeah, guys. And obviously, KW35 will be a thing. Maybe I might confirm a few stations while we're at it, while we're driving. I'm not going to get everyone, because that's going to be a lot of uploading to do. And yeah, I'll make some videos on the way. Maybe like stopping at a gas station or something, I don't know. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching this RWT video. Now I'm probably going to take cover, because there's probably like a hurricane coming, rolling right after me right now. Just kidding. Alright, guys, bye. Oh wow, you really ruined my thing. Alright, guys. For that, camera's going in the face. Bye.